Yeah, so we're on Bridge 1. So currently we're standing on the our temporary staging. It's about 110 metres across the wetland valley here. Staging's just neared completion in the last few days. Guys behind us are in the process of making room to start the next stage of construction, where we've got a temporary platform to build down off the side of the hill there, as well as start the excavation of that northern abutment. It starts off at the southern end at the same level where we're currently at, but it rises at 7%, so it's about 10 metres higher at the far end.
The pier itself will have raked piers, so that meaning that the raked piers themselves will actually sit above the wetland, leaving it intact. The staging bridge itself will actually be removed once the bridge is being completed. Works today to allow the excavations for the piers, and that'll be our next works moving forwards.